Hello and welcome to a new video. Hope you all are doing good. And I have puts which from yesterday ये सारा निकाल दिया पीछे का लॉन्ग शॉट जो भी रखा था क्योंकि इधर प्राइसिंग में कुछ दिख नहीं रहा उसके बाद. सो दिस इज़ द प्लान फॉर नाउ कि होल्ड करूँगा अभी. तो कल तो एसएल नहीं, मतलब दिस वाज दी एसएल, तो वो तो नहीं हुआ. तो आज यही एसएल को हम ले जाएंगे नीचे till 23,200. so this is my idea. 23,200 तक मैं होल्ड करूँगा एंड फॉर आफ्टरनून लाइक टू होल्ड इट, क्योंकि अभी एक डाउन ट्रेंड आ गया. तो मैंने ऐसा सोच के रखा है कि 3 बजे के बाद ना आई विल नॉट होल्ड इट अबाउ द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो हियर आई विल एग्जिट. लेट्स सी 3 बजे के बाद इसके ऊपर क्लोज आता है तो आई माइट एग्जिट. तो दिस इज़ हाउ द प्लान इज़. दिस इज़ लाइक द एस एल मूविंग डाउन और कॉस्ट पे निकलेंगे और देन आई गो न्यूट्रल. अगर ये अभी जैसे आ ही रहा है ऊपर, इसके ऊपर क्लोज होगा या इसके ऊपर कुछ क्लोज होगा, देखते हैं दोपहर को वो. तो आई गो न्यूट्रल एंड आई बाय कॉल्स ओनली अबाउट दिस थिंग अबाउट 23,300. दैट इज़ द प्लान. और लेट्स से I think I'll buy it above this also, 23,200. Yep, that is the plan. 23,200, above 23,200 I'll be going with 10,000 calls again. So this is the position right now. Obviously it was in profit, it's gone in losses now. So and I also have this thing in other account 1800 quantity because I didn't have funds. तो इधर मैं 10,000 नहीं कर पाया था और फंड्स ऐड करने का कुछ टाइम दिया नहीं था कल मार्केट ने, जो ये वाइल्ड स्विंग्स में. तो आई गॉट, मतलब ये जो कॉल में लॉस होके इधर आया तो आई डेंट हैव टाइम टू ऐड फंड. सो आई शिफ्टेड दिस 1800 क्वांटिटी इन अदर अकाउंट जो अभी मेरे पास है नहीं उसका एक्सेस, बट आई एग्ज़िट के लिए मैं है मेरे पास दूसरे लैपटॉप में वो. तो एग्ज़िट कर दूंगा सिर्फ उसमें से, बाकी इसमें मैं पीएनएल देखता हूँ. तो दिस इज़ द टोटल 10,000 क्वांटिटी का ड्राफ्ट पोर्टफोलियो में मैंने डाल दिया है ताकि मैं ट्रैक कर सकूँ पीएनएल क्या चल रहा है. तो वेयर इज़ दिस एंट्री प्राइस, इसमें कहाँ दिखता है. या सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. 443 इज़ माई एंट्री प्राइस, 420, तो दैट्स हाउ इट इज़ फेयरिंग इनफ. कर देंगे दोनों में, मतलब लॉस अगर इफ़ द ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूज. समबडी वाज सेइंग एचडीएफसी बैंक का कुछ रिजल्ट्स आएगा और वो सब. सो लेट्स सी. Yeah, will be good to go in calls if that happens, if an uptrend starts. Maybe that will recover the drawdown. And that's the plan. देखते हैं. तो that's it. Then let's check the comments. Too many. Wow, this video got the highest views I have ever got. It's busting crackers. 55.2 thousand views, and my I'll show you my normal views. That would be. I started monetization today. I got that thing. तो let's see on में first I'll show this. Yeah, I started this watch page ads. तो let's see. अभी तो 00 अभी स्टार्ट किया मैंने, तो आई थिंक मेरे ये वीडियोस में एड्स आएंगे. आई एम सो सॉरी अबाउट इट, बट लेट्स, मतलब एड्स देख लेना यार. तो थोड़ा इसमें ही री इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, वो वाला जो भी इसमें आएगा कुछ करेंगे उसका पैसे का. एंड हाईएस्ट व्यूज़ एंड आई विल शो यू ना नॉर्मल व्यूज़ एंड दिस व्यू. तो see the views on the right. This मतलब 2000 was the highest I could get. ऐसा था 2600. biggest loss in a day on 30th December. This could be, yes, it is on 30th December that got the highest views till now. And this loss, so the loss making videos are getting good I guess views. तो मे बी लॉस इन ट्रेडिंग एंड प्रॉफिट इन यूट्यूब जर्नी में भी एड्स में से मिल जाएगा. उतना पैसा तो दे देंगे ना आप लोग व्यू करके लॉसेस. आई एम जस्ट किडिंग. एंड लेट्स चेक द कमेंट्स. तो थोड़े बहुत सैवेज रिप्लाईज भी करने पड़ेंगे कुछ लोगों को, तो दिखते हैं. करेक्ट, परफेक्ट. Riding one lucky move and losing double in the chop doesn't make you a trader. It makes you a clown juggling borrowed confidence. So basically, I have a strategy. So this guy is a good YouTuber, having, I guess, some lakhs of subscribers. I think, if I'm not wrong, I had checked it. 1.4, the 14 lakh subscribers. Okay, he's into med such videos. So basically, you have no idea what I'm doing technically. You just saw this trade the loss, and then you are saying that I'm having the confidence, which is a clown juggling borrowed confidence. But that is not how it is. It is the strategy. Like whatever quantity I have, I was prepared for such a drawdown. I am prepared for the worst of it because I have backtested the worst way. Still, I am profitable after this loss, and still I will stay profitable even after more losses. So I think you should know where this confidence is coming. It's the profit which is giving the confidence. So yeah, thank you, thank you. लिमिट ऑर्डर मैं लिमिट ऑर्डर नहीं करता, मैं मार्केट ऑर्डर करता हूँ। तो बेसिकली आज तो कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं है, वरना दिखाता। तो मार्केट ऑर्डर रहता है तो दैट वे इट, मतलब चार्ट से देख सकते हैं कि चार्ट में क्या प्राइस था, बट चार्ट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक एल टी पी। एंड व्हेन आई एम प्लेसिंग अ ऑर्डर, तो मैं बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, तो वो दैट कम्स ऑन चार्ट एज अ डिफरेंट थिंग। तो आई विल शो इट सम डे। ऐसा कुछ मतलब खास डिफरेंस नहीं होता, मार्केट ऑर्डर कर देता हूँ, लिमिट ऑर्डर मैं नहीं करता। तो क्योंकि मैं मिस कर दूंगा तो चला जाएगा, वो ट्रेड नहीं हो पाएगा। तो दिस कैपिटल इज अरेंज्ड फ्रॉम प्रॉफिट्स ओनली ब्रो। आई हैव लाइक 31 lakhs नाउ प्रॉफिट। व्हाट एम आई यूजिंग हियर? इन्फो। तो आई एम यूजिंग 36 lakhs हियर, एंड दिस वुड बी व्हाट मैक्स लॉस 7.97, मतलब 8 lakhs। चलो लेट्स काउंट इट इज 8 प्लस 36, 44. So that is 44 lakh I'm using. 31 lakhs is my profit, so I'm using currently what, 13 lakhs as a capital of my own, and rest of it is just unused. So 30, this is unused. This I added to buy calls yesterday during the afternoon. It was coming up, so मैंने वो calls लेने के लिए रखे थे, which I'll withdraw of course, क्योंकि not needed much amount. बट या सो दैट इज़ हाउ आई कैलकुलेट। मतलब अगर देखें कि खुद का कितना वो डाला हुआ है, द हाइस्ट अमाउंट दैट आई हैव पुट ऑफ माई ओन, दैट वुड बी 30 lakhs। जैसे ऐसे अभी मैं जैसे 13 डाला हुआ है, तो ऐसे मैं 30 lakhs भी प्रीवियस ड्रॉडाउन में डाल चुका हूँ। तो लेट्स सी, वो तो मैं विड्रॉ कर लूँगा फिर जैसे ही ये, मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ देर इज़ अ डाउन ट्रेंड, इफ देर इज़ अ प्रॉफिट, और मे बी आई एम बाइंग कॉल्स एंड देर इज़ एन अप ट्रेंड, कुछ 5-10 लाख आ गया, तो दैट आई कीप ऑन विड्रॉइंग। मतलब अपना खुद का कैपिटल मैं निकाल लूँगा और प्रॉफिट से ज़्यादातर करता हूँ। तो आई न्यू कि एक ड्रॉडाउन आएगा जिसमें मुझे फिर से अपना कैपिटल डालना पड़ेगा। तो दैट केम नाउ आफ्टर अक्टूबर, एंड या प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट। मतलब ज़्यादा कैपिटल भी इन्फ्यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसमें, कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी में कुछ रोकना नहीं चाहिए। एंड या जनरेशनल वेल्थ भी है, फादर वर्कड वेरी हार्ड फॉर दैट, सो आई गेस गुड इनफ। मतलब वी हैड नथिंग व्हेन आई वाज किड, नो मनी मैन। मतलब रेंटेड हाउस पे रहो, और बहुत देखा है। तो दैट वे या डैड डिड इट, so I guess proud of him कि thanks for this generational wealth that I'm able to do 10,000 quantity। और प्रॉफिट भी बनाया उससे ही। मतलब स्लो स्लो मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, तो प्रॉफिट भी बनाया हुआ है। तो बैकअप भी रहता है माइंड में कि सब लूज़ कर दूंगा तो है, और प्रॉफिट से ही बढ़ाता गया। कि ऐसे नहीं बढ़ाया कि जनरेशनल वेल्थ है उसकी वजह से बढ़ाया जा रहा हूँ क्वांटिटी, वैसे भी नहीं है। थैंक यू। बट इट्स जस्ट अ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन द स्ट्रेटजी, आई नो इट विल रिकवर। पोजीशन साइजिंग इज़ वेरी हाई या दोस्तों। बेसिकली ना 7,000 से 10,000 पहुंच गया। आई रीच्ड दैट वे, सो 30% एक्स्ट्रा ड्रॉ डाउन आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग। सो दैट इज़ अ ह्यूज वन। सो इट वाज नॉट it is not a 70% drawdown in a day. It was 50% drawdown maybe, and it could go worse, trust me. Now this was the like kind of the worst kind of the thing that could happen. बट इफ़ यू सी कंटिन्यूस डेज, लाइक अभी एक और, मतलब अगर मैं इसमें भी पुट्स में भी लॉस कर सकता हूँ, फिर कॉल आए कॉल में भी लॉस, दैट वे ड्रॉ डाउन थिंग कैन गो मोर। और मैंने उसको वो वैसे भी बढ़ा दिया 30% ज़्यादा। 7,000 क्वांटिटी कर रहा था लास्ट ट्रेंड में, जब मैं मतलब मैक्स प्रॉफिट बनाया ना, तो दैट वाज एट 7,000 क्वांटिटी, एंड नाउ आई एम लूजिंग इन 10,000 क्वांटिटी। सो दैट डज इफेक्ट। सो बट विल वेट कि प्रॉफिट आए जब 10,000 तक में, तो दैट वुड ऑल्सो बी मोर, इट विल कवर फास्टर। लेट्स सी। Yes, so it was 270, and I do follow it strictly, but this was not clear. You are talking about this one. So this closed here. This was not clear. So I sometimes wait for one more candle, since there was this clear cut uptrend going on. For me, first two candles, eliminate them. This is the candle which showed the downtrend when it broke this. Okay. So one and two, just two candles, you can't judge the downtrend based on that. So I could have waited. There could be a green candle, so I could have been a, it could have been a better choice. But yeah, we saw 125 points candle, and it just matlab, what could go worse? This could go, this could happen. That's the thing that happened. So it's okay, it's part of the game. Sometimes waiting will be better, sometimes waiting will not be better, but the net which I have calculated is based on this only, so it's still fine. I use basket order because limit orders may I have missed trades. For example, if I'm checking out this, chalo, for example, if on chart this was 433 or something, 433. So if I am matlab I am seeing a candle close, I am seeing the criteria where I have to buy puts, and I'll be putting in the buy limit as 433. What if it never had passed? 437 से वो direct अगर 450 पे चला जाता, तो when do I not wait, मतलब when do I still buy it at 450? So what if I buy at 450? Then again it goes back to 420. So I'm not doing that. I just do market order. So there are baskets ready. For example, yeah, right now I have this 8,200 quantity. So I have this basket ready where this is the 8,200 quantity in market, and that's when I do it zero. There won't be a margin needed, of course, because I'm selling. I'm exiting this quantity. So I'll just press execute, and this will execute the whole thing, and I'll be out of this, out of the puts anytime if there is a jerk. So I'm always prepared that way कि any jerk I can avoid it. There cannot be any execution error, so I prefer market order in baskets. As a reference, 21 1. This now, yeah, though this is what I was. This was my reference point. Sorry, I'm so sorry. This was my reference point. This was the main SL on both sides. Both sides, matlab in puts, this was the SL. I took it here. I took the puts. This candle made the SL. I bought calls here. Calls, the first support. Then again here, I exited, bought puts here, and then after buying puts, this was the SL and got saved that time. Like, so that's how it is. Matlab I had a single SL. If you even if you put this on Fibonacci, it will show you the 50% level around here only, 270 280 I had checked. That way it was the mid-range between the whole consolidation. So any breakout would have given me a good result, but this gave me a good result, didn't sustain, so it's not meant for me, this downtrend. Like if it might sustain, then I won't be switching, I won't be exiting it. Let's see for tomorrow. Oh, those are the positions. So what I can do is I can show you it is a projection long position. So if I am taking a long position here, I can just put it here and show you, and we can put the targets here, and we can just check the position projection of our position or actual position in a good way, in point wise, in percentage wise, and the bars they are taking or whatever. So it's just to make you view the position in charts, this position in charts. So this is the position, this is the entry, this becomes my SL. So my SL is right now this, but it will close the position, so I'm keeping it here, and this becomes target is always open. So whenever I'll exit it, I'll just put it here, so position is exited. It's clear on the charts how I view it on Nifty 50 charts. That's it. Yeah, no. The such events, like this is what I did in election. Ki I avoided the market. So that was the worst mistake of my life, because I lost. Didn't lose anything, but I couldn't gain the 2,000 points that I was supposed to gain. Uh, it was a really good miss. Matlab, the right clear trends were during that time only. So whenever there are events, I think my strategy factors in, matlab, lots and lots of years of backtest, so everything is included. Even if like a COVID like situation arises, that is also beneficial to me. So such events are actually good and time to earn, because there could be a single side trends coming in during there. I am not assuming it will come. Let's see. We'll figure it out now. We always have a position, so we'll be not missing the trend. That is my wish. Thank you. Thank you. हाँ यार, तो वही है ना, यू कैनॉट है, मतलब मतलब my strategy is option buying, so I have to do call put only. There is no option. मतलब what if चलो call put ना करता मैं, I had calls here, तो what if I had not exited, तो मैं मज़ा लेता इधर, मैं वाह वाह वाह, मैंने तो क्या मतलब आई व्हाट अ जीनियस आई एम कि मैंने कॉल्स ऐसे ही रखे एंड नाउ इट इज़ बैक एट इट्स पीक, देन अगेन इट फॉल्स. ओके, तो आई विल स्टिल बी थिंकिंग ये तो फिर से रिकवर हो जाएगा, देन इट इज़ रिकवरिंग राइट हियर. ये मतलब मैं अपना पूरा व्यूज़ से ही बात कर रहा हूँ कि व्यू क्या होता मेरा अगर मैं कॉल्स में ही बैठा रहता, तो वो कॉल पुट ना करता, तो ये मेरा हालत इधर क्या होता कल ही. तो आई एम हैप्पी आई बुकड बोथ लॉसेज बोथ द साइड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई हैव पुट्स and I have exited here, obviously if I had not exited right now, I would still have them open. But what if I hadn't exited here? This thing just flew off. This thing might have taken a breakout and this thing just straight up went up. Then I would have lost my whole strategy. There was no point in working on to make this 10,000 quantity. The loss that would have happened was out of system, which could have wiped out all my profits. So I cannot afford to use my own brain here and make mistakes. So I want to maintain my strategy, so I have to do what I have to do. Means taking that call put thing is a part of it. I know it looks stupid, but it is what it is. Relieved too. Yup. You can you just move on, मतलब पुट्स पे कंसंट्रेट करो और कॉल्स लो अभी जैसे ही लेना पड़े. दैट्स इट. मतलब यू कैन नॉट हेल्प इट ना, यू इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ, मतलब बुकिंग अ लॉस इज़ द रिस्क मैनेजमेंट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. You did the right thing by booking the loss, because if you hadn't booked, for example, if I have puts, and it would have been better if I hadn't done anything after buying puts here. If I had not exited here, it would have been better. But one day, yesterday it would have been better. But someday it will just bounce off from here when I'll not book, and that's when I'll get wiped out. So booking loss is the best thing that can happen to you. Be it in the 3 consecutive trades or 4 consecutive trades, it's okay. It is good you booked the loss so that you are not wiped out. People just buy calls, OTM calls, and just sit around and make it zero. Don't do that. Don't get wiped out. Your strategies should take extra losses just so that one time you don't get wiped out. That is to be factored in. If your strategy has some missing link, and in 3 to 4 years or 5 years it will take you out, if it is taking you out some days, if there is a mistake somewhere, there is some hole where you can get wiped out, it will wipe you out someday, and that would be the worst part. So you don't want to get wiped out, you take such losses. That is the part of the game. Thank you. Bro is so jealous of my profits, I guess. Better luck next time, bro. I think you also face losses. You'll recover it if you have a good strategy like me. Nope. This is how it has always been. So there are smooth days for sellers, there are good days for buyers, there are just choppy days for everyone to lose. This is all part of the game, and I think any strategy should include this, and this should not be a shocker. I mean, include this as a loss. Don't try to get the best out of it, maybe, and if you can, that is good. But if you cannot, मतलब just take it as a part of the strategy. ऐसे दिन देखो बैक टेस्ट में तो सोच ही लो, इधर से पुट लिए, इधर से कॉल लिए, इधर से पुट लिए, तो क्या हो रहा है, क्या है मेरा रिजल्ट, तो तभी भी अच्छा आ रहा है. तो वर्स्ट पार्ट आप पहले से ही देख लो. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग, दैट इज़ हाउ आई हैव बीन बैक टेस्टिंग. There's nothing, matlab, this is the part of the game. So when I was doing like 100 quantity, it was my dream. 1000 quantity, this was my dream to go for 10,000. So I was prepared. Like when I'm seeing in 1000 quantity, I'm seeing a 300 400 point loss someday, matlab, not in a single position, but if there are 2 to 3 positions, that this has happened many times. So 2 to 3 positions go wrong in a single day, I'm losing 300 400 points. So I know it that when someday when I'm doing 10,000 quantity, there will be a zero behind the PNL also. Just like there is a zero behind the quantity, there will be zero behind the PNL also. So I'm ready to see these losses. I have seen these losses in the past, but it's just the quantity which has increased, and that too the quantities increased during a drawdown, which increased the drawdown further very fast. So I think everything is going perfect. This should have happened, and I was also saying that drawdown hasn't come like it should have come. So I think this is a part of it. So nothing to worry about. Like you have to trust the strategy, and if you don't trust the strategy, then you need to do more back tests and make it better to get that confidence on the strategy. Of course, yeah, such days come. It shakes you out, and I have myself quit trend following many times in the past after such days. These specific such days, when these days comes a big range on both the sides, I have to manage my loss. I have to book my loss here. I have to book my loss here. I cannot not do anything about it. Matlab, have to do what you have to do. So, thank you so much. Where are you from? I am from Rajkot, Gujarat, and yeah, this is high risk, high reward trading. This will look insane, and it will give insane losses, insane profits also. There was a gap up today, but yeah, operators are seeing me. They know I am in puts. They will not let me book any profit. And psychology is all well, all cool. Such things happen, yaar. This such, matlab, I'm not trying to look all chill and all, but this is actually what I had matlab, assumed ki this could happen in a day. What if I lose 400 points in a day? That would be 40 lakhs. I mean, this is factored in, not to worry about it. Matlab, if I'm buying naked options, 10,000 quantity overnight and all, this could have happened overnight also. 300 point gap down, and I would have the same thing. So this is all fine. You know what? What could have gone worse? What could have gone worse for me? I have calls here. There is a straight up gap down here, 300 points gap down here. Okay, I'll wait for 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever I'll wait. Okay, I'll book the loss and buy puts. I'll book the loss and buy puts. Why wouldn't I buy puts? I would buy puts. I am high risk, high reward trader. So if I buy puts and this thing goes up back to recovering 300, my SL would be chalo in the center somewhere here, 2020 to 200. I would be losing back in puts also. So imagine that loss. That is also I'm figuring it, factoring it in. So this is nothing. This is obviously it is a big loss, but point wise also it is a big loss. But things could go worse, and that is also part of it. Then also you will end up profitable after the FY. In the end, it's a numbers game. Yeah, let's see the numbers at the end of the year only. Then, uh, yeah, I'm not in a hurry. Actually, now I made 95 lakhs from whatever quantity, 7,000, I guess. That was also after increasing. So 95,000 is good. 95 lakhs is good for the quantity I'm doing. I might have to infuse some capital in between during the if there is a more drawdown, but that's that. Like the drawdown cannot go in a way that I will have to lose my own funds also. That will not happen. Most probably, it could go worse. We don't know, but I'm not in a hurry now anymore. 10,000 is the limit. Now let's sustain here. Let's make some money here. Like I want to make 1.5 CR from this. Obviously not by April also, but it might come. It might not come. But yeah, let's make some CRs. Then we'll think of increasing quantity. And I have a strategy also, another strategy to deploy in. So to matlab, divide average out my quantities in different strategies that would help during drawdown. First of all, I don't check 5 to 10 minutes candle for now. I'm only checking 15 minutes candle. You have no idea what the strategy is, and this strategy includes such drawdowns. So I guess maybe you share your strategy and we'll work on your strategy if you have one. Yeah, कोई नहीं भाई. I don't think so. Nifty, great. Yo. Hmm. Thank you. Thank you. Capital is 3 point. किसके किसके बारे में बोल रहे हो? My capital is not that much. या मतलब ड्रॉ डाउन आया निकल जाऊँ तो मैं 91% मतलब फिर भी मैं मतलब नेट प्रॉफिटेबल हूँ बट व्हाट इफ आई लूज माई नेट प्रॉफिट्स ऑल्सो देन you would include me in the 91%, but that's not how it works. I don't come in the 9% also, bro. I come in मतलब जो profit wise उन्होंने डाला था ना, I come in 1% also. So I guess you should think where you are commenting. रोहित जी, आई कैन नॉट रीड योर कमेंट मैन, यू आर सो इरिटेटिंग। आई कैन नॉट, मतलब ट्विटर पे, और मुझे मतलब मैं रीड करता हूँ तो मुझे, मैं समझा नहीं पाऊँगा आपको, मतलब आपका माइंडसेट ही ऐसा है कि आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू, आई, इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू एक्सप्लेन यू। सो या, बेटर लक। मतलब हाँ, जो मतलब मैंने दिसंबर में कुछ कमाया ही नहीं, -2 लाख से मेरा, और जनवरी में भी कुछ नहीं कमाया। इफ़ यू वांट टू, जनवरी में आई गेस इट वुड बी -20ish। सो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग डजंट अप्लाई, मतलब जितना कमाया गंगा में, मुझे ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है कि मैंने कमाया ही नहीं है कि जो वापस दूँ मैं, मतलब ये पुराना नवंबर का कमाया हुआ सारा पैसा जा रहा है। इफ़ यू वांट टू से दैट, जस्ट बी राइट कि जहाँ कहाँ रहा है, कौन सा वाला पैसा जा रहा है, तो ट्राई टू बी राइट, एटलीस्ट हैव सम फैक्ट चेक। मैं खुद दिखा रहा हूँ 21, सी आई टोल्ड 21 -21.71, लेट्स सी। एंड December was -2 because it had two accounts now. So yeah, that was net -2, and this one is -21 now after yesterday's loss, which is fine. This account was -52 at some point. We got it at +30. Now it is -20. No, it's not -20. It could be, the FI would be very bad, but this thing, month-wise, if we say, fine enough, fair enough. Yeah, this could matlab go positive with this quantity, and added with this total, I think it is easy peasy. Yeah, okay, if you call this gambling, you can call it gambling, but there is a switch, matlab there is a trick of systematic gambling where I know where my SL is. I mean, you can call it gambling. I think it's a systematic gambling after all. Matlab anyone who is selling or doing whatever strategy, it is a gamble after all. Okay. It's not, I don't think it is regulated, so I'm not getting into bitcoins. नहीं, मुझे चाहिए होगा 5 लाख वो ड्रॉ डाउन के लिए यार। ऑल राइट, हैपन्स। थैंक यू, थैंक यू। अभी प्लस नेट प्रॉफिट इज +31 lakhs। सो आई थिंक हो सकता है तुम्हारी विश ग्रांटेड हो सकती है। लेट्स सी। वाह 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 वाह। तो डालो यार, नेट वेट डालो, सेंसिबल पे आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ कभी। देखो ये देखो, लॉन्ग टर्म में आ जाओ कहीं यार, लॉन्ग टर्म में आ जाओगे ये करते करते तो। क्यों नहीं आते? माई लाइव PNL, इधर कहीं आ जाओ, शोकेस पे, लाइव PNL पे, ऐसा कुछ करो यार। इफ़ यू आर ट्रेडिंग इन जीरोधा आई गेस, और द कनेक्टेड ब्रोकर्स। So if I hadn't jumped from one trade to another, I would have lost more if the market had started trending. But since it was consolidating, I am supposed to give. It is a part of the strategy, man. I think I don't make my own views that, oh, now I'll do this, now I'll do that. It is a part of a strategy. I calculated one. तो जगह बदलने के टाइम आएगा जल्द ही, वैसे भी कहाँ ले जाना है, सब यही छोड़ के जाओगे। मैं प्रॉफिट से ही कर रहा हूँ भाई, मैं प्रॉफिट से कर रहा हूँ। अभी मैंने थोड़ा कैपिटल डाला है अपना, और मतलब इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग, मतलब इफ़ यू वांट टू से दैट कि आई मतलब गिव इट अवे एंड क्विट इट, तो वैसा तो नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि कैपिटल है अनलिमिटेड, समझ लो। अनलिमिटेड लाइफ टाइम ग्लिच है अपने पास, अपन हैकर मैन है, ऐसा समझ लो कि जितना बोलोगे फंड आता ही रहेगा। ये कर दो तुम -2 CR, मैं 3rd CR ला के आऊँगा और ट्रेडिंग चालू रहेगा। सो you can only wish for it, it will never happen। and that's it for the comments। it was great। कल से यही चल रहा है सब, मतलब ये कर लो, वो कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो, बट शो मी तुम क्या बोल रहे हो। तो यू कैन कम हियर ऑन सेंसिबल, पुट योर मनी। इफ दिस सरदार जी मनी वाले इज टेलिंग मी, इफ विकास वोरा सर इज टेलिंग मी कि डू दिस डू दैट, आई एम ऑल ईयर्स। मतलब ही इज़ मेकिंग गुड मनी, so I'm all ears to him, but like, what is your progress that you are suggesting me? So please suggest me after, show me your report, show me your strategy, we'll surely discuss your, if you want me to get better, you show me a strategy and gift me a strategy, so we can work on it. Maybe if you want to improve your strategy, you can tell me, because I am working on strategy. My strategy high risk high reward, उसमें drawdowns इतना आता ही है, and I am prepared for it. I think you should be prepared for it, because what if ये 10,000 quantity जो है वो एक दिन 20,000 कर दूंगा, तो बी प्रिपेयर्ड, डोंट मतलब ऐसा पैनिक मत करो, ये भी होगा। तो फर्स्ट लेट्स मेक सम मनी विद 10,000 क्वांटिटी एंड देन लेट्स सी, तो ये सब डबल होगा। कभी कभार 80 लाख का भी लॉस हो जाएगा, तो अभी ये वीडियो में भी बोल के जा रहा हूँ, सो दैट तब इतना बड़ा लॉस हो जाए जिसमें मुझे हाईएस्ट व्यूज़ आ जाए, तो तब मैं ये कोट कर सकूँगा कि ये सी मैंने बोला था कि आई कुड मेक सच हाई लॉसेस। एंड यू ट्रेंड हैज़ंट कम, दिखते हैं ट्रेंड कब आएगी, एंड विल श्योरली गेट सम गुड मनी फ्रॉम इट। बहुत लंबा वीडियो हो गया बिकॉज प्रीवियस वीडियो वॉज लंबा, कमेंट्स वर वेरी मच, देर वर लॉट्स ऑफ कमेंट्स, एंड ट्विटर विटर सब मतलब सेंसिबल। कल तो फुल हाइप था, अच्छा लगा लॉस पे, मतलब अकेला फील नहीं हो रहा था, सब थे गालियाँ देने के लिए और सपोर्ट करने के लिए भी। सो थैंक यू ऑल, एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, लव यू ऑल।